Are you a parent who's looking to make money online but have no idea how to get started? Whether you're looking to just earn some extra cash or you're wanting to make a full-time career out of this, you are in the right place. I'm here to teach you how to get started in digital marketing and make it the right path for you to get you to that financial freedom. Hi, my name is Melissa. I help parents just like you figure out how to start making money online. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you can follow to begin your path with digital marketing. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps that you can take to begin earning money online and a clear understanding of how digital marketing works. I understand how overwhelming it can be trying to balance family life while figuring out a way to earn money. Maybe you've tried side hustles. Maybe you've tried a few side hustles in your time, or you're just not able to have a traditional 9-to-5 job. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you need to be there for your kids. It is hard to figure out a way to earn an income. As a parent, you always feel like you're pulled in a million different directions. You have the kids, the household chores, maybe you do have a job outside the home, and you're just pulled in so many directions. The idea of working from home, having that work from home job is so appealing. But where do you get started? There are so many ideas out there, so many people promoting work from home jobs, digital marketing jobs, that you just don't know where to begin. Before we dive any deeper, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. I give lots of tips for parents who are looking to make money online. The good news is that digital marketing is the perfect solution for busy parents like you who want to earn money from home. You don't need a big fancy degree. You don't need a huge startup. You don't need a lot of money to start it. And you really don't need much experience at all. Digital marketing is something that you can learn in your own time from the comfort of your own home. And it is something that you can begin to apply and start doing as you are learning it. Digital marketing is simply affiliate marketing, social media marketing, email marketing. It is just selling digital products online. A digital product is anything that is not tangible, right? Like an e-course or an ebook, anything like that that you can sell online. And all you need to get started is a laptop or even just a phone, internet connection, and some fun creativity from you. I've helped parents just like you create their own successful online business, and I know that you can do it too. If you are excited to get started on your digital marketing journey, let me know what you are thinking right now. What digital marketing product are you thinking would be a good fit for you? I would love to help you get started. Step-by-step breakdown of digital marketing methods. Affiliate marketing. This is where you are promoting a product for somebody else. You get a commission whenever you sell any of these products using your link. So you might get, 50%, 70%, 90% of that sale. That is affiliate marketing. Now, as a parent, you could promote products that you are already using, right? You could promote things that your kids use. You could promote books. You could promote programs, things that you're already using. And to get started, it's easy. You can just sign up for places through like Amazon, things like that to get started with affiliate marketing. Freelance digital marketing services. This is where you can become a freelancer and start offering services for things like SEO, content creation, social media marketing. Figure out what you're good at and what you can offer to other people. And you can look for places to get started. Like Freelancer is a good place to get started if you are interested in this aspect of digital marketing. Creating and selling your own online courses. If you have some information you'd like to teach, this is a great way to do it. You can create your own e-course and sell it. Some ideas would be if you're good at things with education, if you're good with parenting tips or social media marketing, wherever your expertise lies, you can create an e-learning program that people can purchase from you so that they can learn your skills. You can also sell an e-program that has already been created. You just need to find one that has resale rights that allows you to sell that program. I personally am selling one that I purchased so that I could learn how to do digital marketing. It has resale rights. I am able to resell that for 100% profit. So as you can see, there are lots of ways you can get started online with digital marketing from home. There are lots of benefits to digital marketing as well. First of all, you are your own boss. It is your company that you own, so you set your hours. Your hours are completely flexible based upon your needs and the needs of your family. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you work those times when your kids are napping, or in the morning before they wake up, or after they go to bed at night. You can work while your kids are at school. You just find what works best for your family. Every family is different. The flexibility allows you to figure out what works best for your family. The part that I love best is you get to work from home. You don't even have to leave your house in order to run your business. You work from the comfort of your own home. The other awesome thing is the scalability. You're able to start small with this. And if you don't have a lot of time, at first, if you're still working another full-time job, you just start small and you're able to build it as you go along. Maybe one day you're able to quit that full-time job and make digital marketing your full-time job. So you're able to scale it, build it up slowly, based upon what works for you and your family. There are also a variety of opportunities. There's affiliate marketing, there's creating your own courses, there's freelancing. With so many options available, the sky is the limit. You can pick what fits best with you, and you can even find your own niche, create your own courses to sell, things like that. Make it work for you. Make sure you're doing what makes you happy, because then you will be happy in the end with what you've chosen. If you're serious about making money online, check out my website, melissadailypay.com. It is in the description. Go ahead, click on that, and check out what I am doing for my digital marketing online business. I would be happy to help you get started or answer any questions. You can leave any questions in the comments below or through my email, which you can get to in my website. Today, we learned some exciting ways to begin an online business, especially for busy parents. Remember, you can do this. Start small. Remember that scalability. Grow as you see fit, as your schedule allows. And remember, this is accessible for everyone. You can do it if you put your mind to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who also may benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching, and I am excited to see you get started on your new digital marketing career.